Y'all, this wig is giving sexy bedhead tousled curls, but without the effort. This wig pretty much already came styled. It is a completely glueless wig, like look. I'm super in love with glueless wigs because it's so easy to just take on and off. Particularly me, I like to change up my wigs a lot. And if you like to do the same or you really like to take care of your hair underneath, then a glueless, effortless wig like this is going to be perfect for you. So I want to give a big thank you to Luvme for sponsoring today's glueless wig install for y'all. I'm going to talk you through exactly how I installed this wig from start to finish. So I hope that you have been enjoying this style of video. If you do, definitely give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure that bell is turned on so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to get into the hair details as well as how I installed this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. My wig arrived in this purple and gold box, and this is what it looks like once you open up the box. Here is the wig. So the wig does arrive with a wig net around it to protect the hair, and the hair is already like tousled in these beautiful loose waves. It's very bouncy. And here is the front of the wig. As you can see, it does have this little piece of paper inside of it just to hold the wig shape when it arrives to you so it's not flat. So this is a 5x5 HD lace closure. It does have a pre-plucked hairline and lightly bleached knots. So this wig can be worn glueless, but as you can see, the lace is still attached. You do have the option to get the lace pre-cut on their website if you would like. So here is what the inside of the cap looks like. You have your 5x5 HD closure here. You have 3 wig combs up top, 1, 2, and 3, and then in the back you have 1 wig comb, and you also have this adjustable strap, and lastly you have the adjustable straps here in the back, and you can use these to tighten them so that it fits nice and secure on your head, or you can loosen them if it's too tight. Before I throw this wig on my head, I do want to mention that this wig is 22 inches long. This is their trendy layered cut loose body wave texture, and as you can see, it looks like it was curled very loosely. This is how I like my curls to look after a few days, so I love the fact that it's already like styled and ready to wear. You don't need to do much with styling this wig. So before I cut off the excess lace, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation underneath the lace, as I always do, to go ahead and prep it so that it matches my skin tone once we apply it. So I am going to use the NARS New Caledonia Natural Radiant Foundation. That's the foundation that I'm wearing on my face today. So I like to match it just so that I know it's going to blend with my skin tone really good. And as you can see, I'm just using a foundation brush and I'm buffing it underneath the lace, everywhere where the knots are, so that once we apply this lace, it looks as natural and blends in with our skin tone as possible. Once I've blended the foundation under the lace, now you can see it is my skin tone, so this is gonna blend in so nice. So let's go ahead and apply the wig on our head. I like to take the elastic band as well as the back of the wig on the inside of my hands, and then I will tuck it behind the back of my head. I will use the comb in the very back and push it in, and then we're going to line up the front of the wig. So this is what we're working with so far. The excess lace has not been removed. I'm actually going to pluck the hairline just a little bit more because I would like it to look a little bit more natural than this. So I will be right back. And here is how the hairline looks after I plucked it a little bit. Not a huge difference, but I do notice the difference. So let's go ahead and remove this excess lace. I'm going to use small scissors for that, and I'm going to go in a zigzag motion. So all across. the entire lace. And this is what we're looking like. This wig can definitely be worn glueless if you would like. So I am going to do a middle parting with this wig. I'm first going to take my Ebin wax stick and go all around the parting area. And next I'm going to take my olive oil spritz and spray it all around the parting. If you're interested in any of the products that I use for my wig installations, I do have them linked on my Amazon storefront. I will leave a link in the description box down below and also pin a comment. It's going to be underneath my wig essentials. Be sure to check out these products because I use them every time I lay my wigs, including this hot comb. This one is by Infinity Pro. And it is a good hot comb, but it's pretty inexpensive. And these products get my wigs nice and flat up top, y'all. So I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer down my parting. And this is MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NC45. I take my finger down the parting just to blend it, and then I make sure it's not sitting on the hairs around the parting. So you could definitely leave the hairline just like this. It looks really nice and natural, but I'm gonna take it a step further and add a little bit of baby hairs just because I like that look. So I'm gonna pull out just some hairs in the front. Nothing crazy. About that much on each side. I'm gonna take my hot comb and just blend that part back so it's out of the way. And then I'm gonna take my small scissors again and we're gonna cut it about 1 inch long. But I'm going to use my Extreme Pro Gel with my Luvme hair edge brush, and we're going to get these baby hairs laid. Next, I'm going to lay the right side, and then I'm going to do the opposite side. And these baby hairs are nice and laid now, y'all. Let's take a wide tooth comb and see what these curls are looking like. It looks so effortless right now. It really looks like tousled bed hair right now, which I love. And the fact that it's already layered is so nice. You could go back in and make the curls like tighter if you would like, or add to it. I think I'm just going to curl this piece back here. I'm not gonna curl it long, y'all, because you don't want a really defined curl. You just want it like simple. So I'm gonna leave it on just for that long and just let it sit. Do any other pieces need to be curled? Yeah, let's curl this one too. Like, it's not really a defined curl look. It's very like tousled. And I want to fix this side just a little bit. So let's just have it on there for a slight second and then pull it off. Let's just do this piece here. See, don't do too much, y'all, because too much and it's going to look like you did a lot with it. These are really nice tousled curls, okay? Let me know what you think. This was a really simple install, right? I feel like this was easy to follow, and I think that this wig is freaking gorgeous. So it's been a minute since I've done like a 22-inch glueless wig install. I know a lot of you don't like the super long hair, so I feel like this one is more natural, and it's such a gorgeous pre-made wig that you don't have to do much with. I'm so for super simple wig installs, and if y'all are too, I hope that you enjoyed this one. If you're interested in checking checking out this wig, there will be a link down below to Luvme Hair's website, as well as any coupon codes they provide me with. Black Friday is coming up very quickly, so a lot of brands are having super bomb Black Friday deals, so make sure if you're interested in this wig, you catch it on sale, baby, okay? Save some money. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I truly do appreciate it. If you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me, definitely click the box right here. It's gonna be a birthday Get Ready With Me because it's my birthday month, so let's go.